something hit me. When I opened my eyes, I was feeling so empty inside.